Here is the breadboard of the Morse code assignment. There's the button, resistors, wires. And here's my code. There's the beginning of it. Scrolling down. And there's the end. And here's an example of the program running. I'm gonna try to type hello here. 4 dots, a space, an E, a space, an L. Oh, that's an I. Okay, whenever putting the camera down and typing with one hand, I was able to type a message, HELLO, and then a long pause for a space, and YOU. And here's just an example of the long space working and holding the button to make it end. Type 3, wait a couple seconds, and then 2 more, and hold it down for 3 seconds. Alright, and then that's a S space I. And that's Lab 10.